So today what we want to show you here is the interchangeable tips we've got for our new CP1 Pro. So you've got your standard tip here, which you would have seen on your Japanese, your French, even American, and also our base model, which is great for any soil which is well tilled like so. It digs in and it opens up that furrow ready to go straight with your plant. We also have come up here with the boat nose, which is predominantly for green manure. So you can see the difference between the two there. They're interchangeable, they go on the same planter. Now the purpose for this is if you have any long pieces of green manure like so, it'll just go straight over them and let them pass through, whereas this one here will pick them up and hold them. So we're going to show you with this one first, and when we get the green manure just up further, we've got a bit of sunflowers that we've hoed back into the ground. You'll see what I mean. So this here just hooks on, you've got your flat bit of steel in the back here. It just goes in that slot like so, and your detent pin just pushes in the top. Like so. So we've got that up there. Give it a little bit of a run. And we'll put our paper pots on here. Got a couple of spring onions we're doing. So I'll just run that out the back like that. And I'll just leave it set there. Now we've got to set it on our deepest depth because these are spring onions and we want them to go down nice and deep. So with that just sitting like so, as we start, when it gets deep enough, it'll start feeding soil in and hold it in place. So you can see from the start, it's not going real well. And now that's partly because it's quite cloddy, this pot, but also you'll find, if we lay it over on its side here, you can see the boat nose has picked up roots, stalks, and all this sort of stuff. And what it's doing is it's leaving the trench not dug properly, so there's nothing to feed back in on the right hand side. So as we mentioned earlier, to combat that, we have made our boat nose. And this is the one, what we'll do now. So we'll pull this off here. Usually you'll do this before you start, but just for your guys' sake, we just did it in the middle here. So then we'll just slip the boat nose back on. Get it got it nice and firm. Just make sure your planter's sitting right. And then you put your pin in, like so. So now that pin's in, the boat nose is fixed on, we'll put this back. And because the boat nose doesn't dig in with that spike at the front, it has a tendency to float up high and it won't go down. So what we have to do is we have to put a bit of weight on it. For that we have these two bricks, they're just solid bricks. You can use whatever you want. If you don't have bricks, I often just fill it up with your soil, so just get soil and just fill up these gunnels here with soil. But the bricks is what we'll be using right now. And that just gives it that weight to push it down due to the fact of not having a spike. Now as we start dragging through here, you'll notice, even with the green manure there, we still get a fairly decent plant.